Hey there folks, my name is Angeline. Welcome to Treasure Quest Mining's weekly treasure hunt series. Each week we walk around the shop, pick 10 treasures, tag them with a little blue dot, then that treasure is 20% off for the week. This week's sale runs from March 27th through April 3rd. Videos drop on Thursday nights. Sales start Friday morning. So if you want to claim your favorite, simply give us a call or send us an email. We can hold that treasure until you can get to the shop, or we can ship it out to you. Now, before we dive into this week's treasures, let me tell you about our 8-year anniversary celebration. Save the date for May 29th through 31st. The entire gift shop will be 20% off. There's a kids prize wheel where kids can spin the wheel and get a prize just for being a kid. And you can enter to win prize packs. We hope you'll join us. All right, folks, let's go ahead and get started. Treasure number 1 is this Bumblebee Jasper Palm Stone. It's a $26 piece. It's from Indonesia. Metaphysically, Bumblebee Jasper is used to impart a strong sense of inspiration and determination to overcome obstacles, while inspiring adventure. Treasure number 2 is this $68 carved jade nephrite bear from China. And jade nephrite is used metaphysically to offer protection, release the negative thoughts, helping you to settle your mind and usher in peace and harmony. And I love his little white spots right there. He's super cute. And treasure number 3 is this Sakura Jasper Tower. It's also called Green Flower Rhyolite. It's a $16 piece, and it's used metaphysically to aid in the release of trauma, supporting emotional growth, and like the flowers, allowing one to blossom to our full potential. And treasure number 4 is this polished sphalerite slab from China. It's a $58 piece. And sphalerite is the darker brown material, and it's with druzy chalcedony. It has some amazing patterns to it. Sphalerite metaphysically is used to unlock potential, supporting self-discovery, and is believed to help strengthen determination. And treasure number 5 is this fibrous malachite specimen from the Congo. This is a $62 piece, and it's rich in that velvety luster that malachite is known for. Metaphysically, malachite is considered a powerful protection stone, aiding in the blocking of the energy from other people, particularly their negative energy and bad vibes. And by blocking the energy from others, it allows us to maintain our own emotional balance. And treasure number 6 is this $24 septarian nodule from Utah. One side of the piece has been polished, while the other side has been left in its raw, natural state. And it's literally like a ball sliced in half. So pretty cool specimen to have at your house. Metaphysically, septarians are believed to aid in self-nurturing, imparting a restorative energy, and leading to positive transformation. And treasure number 7 is this $62 piece of polished black moonstone from Madagascar. This particular piece has an incredible amount of shimmer and webbing, and it's quite beautiful. Metaphysically, moonstone helps you focus on the things that make you happy, expanding your love of self and of others, and imparting empathy and intuition. Treasure number 8 is this $32 chocolate calcite with brown aragonite tower from Pakistan. Metaphysically, this material aids in experiencing life from a new perspective with peace and positivity, while focusing on improving oneself. And treasure number 9 is one of my all-time favorite stones, labradorite. This fully polished piece of labradorite from Madagascar is $34. Metaphysically, labradorite inspires adventure and self-discovery and encourages new beginnings and potential. And treasure number 10 is this amazing fluorite specimen from Nigeria. This is a $40 piece, and you can see it's got quite a spectacular cubic structure, a tremendous amount of blue fluorescence, and even some little pyrite inclusions. Metaphysically, fluorite is used to remove cluttered thoughts and negativity, aids in focusing the mind, and supports clear thinking. And that'll do it for this week's treasure hunt. Thank you so much for shopping with us. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next time.